I'll guide you through how to translate WhatsApp messages without the hassle of copying and pasting or the confusion of different features on Android and iPhone. If you're looking to communicate with friends and family who speak another language, or you want to understand a message in a group chat and you need to translate messages instantly, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Before we dive into the steps, it's important to note that this is a new feature that's rolling out gradually, and so it's necessary to update your WhatsApp app. Also, there are some key differences between the features on Android and iPhone. We'll show you both so you can get started as soon as it's available on your device. Here's how to do the complete process step by step.
First, open the chat with the message you want to translate. Now long press on the message itself. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Translate from the options. On Android, choose the language you want the message to be translated from or to. Then the translation appears instantly, whether it's a one-on-one chat, group, or even a channel update. You can also turn on automatic translation for the entire chat thread. For Apple devices, after long pressing the message, select Translate from the options. Choose the language you want the message to be translated from or to. On both Android and iOS, you can tap the arrow beside a language pack to download it, which is then saved in your phone's settings for future offline translations. To view the message back in its original language or change it to another language, press and hold the message and tap View Translation. Now that you've learned how to translate WhatsApp messages, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more WhatsApp video tutorials. Thanks for watching.